Hi everyone, thank you so much for clicking this video. Today again we are back with another batch and with another topic. Well, today we are just going to discuss about a great topic and such a crucial topic. Somewhere or the others, the people have to be the part of to make money. If you are money oriented, you must be going somewhere, you must be making so much money as well. If you are not, then you must have best of luck and go and make so much money. Today at Will Talk Institute, we are here in batch C. And we are going to discuss about which job is better. Of course, jobs are jobs, job is job. Some of the people have choice, some of the people prefer to go for private job and some of the people prefer to go for government job. These people are going to discuss. The motive is not about discriminating or differentiating. The motive is to develop the fluency. The motive is to just develop and boost the confidence of the people, talking among the people and talking among the audience, guys. So keep on watching this video. Whatever you think, you can share your views into the comment box. So are you ready, everybody? Yes. You are supporting?
Yes. Private job.
And you are supporting, guys? So are you ready to talk?
Yes, sir.
So microphone goes to you guys and start discussing. So who is going to initiate from here? Okay. From here, Mr. Shivam is so excited. He's
Good afternoon, panelists. Hi, my name is Shivam Singh. We all are here to debate on the great topic, which is which job is better, government job or private job. Firstly, I would love to thank to Kev sir that having this great opportunity to talk about this great topic. And I'm talking about I'm favoring about private job, that how is good better than government job. As we know, private job have lots of opportunities, and you every door, every company, what you skilled for, they open for you, and they very welcome for you and giving you opportunity for your skill based job, and where you do your hard work and get your goal achieved with the certain of time. In other hand, government job, just achieving for a particular job, you have to do a lot of hard work for get appointment from them for just 4 to 5 years of competition exam practices. That means these all things lack from ourselves. Other hand, when you come to a private job, you have to do just a 1 year diploma and you got your job and do as you want to do in that field. That makes us good. Thank you.
very nice. We will ask question. Shivam can remain standing. Please get up. You share your views and you can ask some of the question to Shivam as well. Please get up.
Good afternoon, all the panelists. Myself, Ansika Singh, and today's debate topic is which job is good, government job or private job. I am favoring government job because I am also a UPSC aspirant. First of all, I am sharing my opinion. I give you a thought: work hard, keep a smile, create history. And I am share my opinion in government job because government job is a backbone of the country, which maintain the stability, law, rules of the country, and you get more facilities in government job, health sector, health insurance, you get a bungalow, car, etc. like this, and life insurance also. And government job is a money oriented, and you get government job and you get easily live in government job, and private sector you cannot easily get a leave. And I think when formal attire is too good in government job, when you go anywhere and you saw the kid was crying and her mother says stop crying Manna, I call this police and that doctor, and kids was scared. And I think this is like a awareness for the kids what is a police service and what is who is PM, CM, like that. So can you tell me please, and it is it is recognize a mutual respect for the kids. Can you tell me please, you get this type of mutual respects in private sector?
Yes, of course, I did. Firstly, I would love to question you and answer you backbone thing, what you tell about that. As we know, government job seekers just are secure. They become lethargic and lazy person while doing their job, and corrupted also. They break their backbone, government jobs backbone. that is very bad thing.
Let's see, we can ask her that, like, why, how could you say that the government job is the backbone of the country?
Yes.
There are, I think, lakhs of the people that are doing private job. I
Yes,
think
sir.
they are the backbone of the country.
Sir, but I just want to tell her this that they are just breaking their backbone also with corruption and lethargicness.
They are breaking a
Backbone. But in the private sector, they just improve themselves
Yes.
every day.
Yes.
And they work hard with less money to earn higher. That's it.
Yes. What will you say, Ansika? Let her try. Come on. Let us believe that and make us believe that why are you saying backbone of the country?
Yes. sir.
Because it's maintain the stability in our country, and in government sector you serve job for the for country, and in private sector you serve your job for ourselves.
What is sir? Sir, how much we know that government job seekers, how they do what they just achieve from their jobs. It's just money-oriented persons. Because other hand,
The point was about serving.
Yeah.
Would you like to reply? Please pass the microphone to Captain. Yes. Serving the nation.
Like as per the data, data is said to that private job are contribute the 60% in a GDP. Like private sector contribute the 60% in a GDP, and it will be increased 70% in future. So we are the backbone. We are making the backbone of India. Yes, we are serving the nation because we are majority, and we are give the 60%. We are contributing in India, and you are not. So that's why.
Anybody else wants to say anything? Very nice. Wow.
Government sector is just only for, it's just made only for our country. If we talk about the private sector is just increasing and earning money only for their selfishness. It's not all about the government. If I'm working for the government, it means I'm working for our country. But if you are working for the private sector, it means you are working for someone, not for our country.
When someone is doing a private job, so you can say that they are not they are not the citizen of India. They are also contributing, but government was not providing that much job. That's why they are doing the private job, and that's why they are contributing India. But you are very less.
It's not like
You
that.
are very less. We are
Government is
majority.
providing, and we are working hard to get the job.
Government is not providing that much vacancies in government job. That's why we are. So when we are waiting for the vacancies, we are become lethargic and unemployed. Yes, there is no vacancy. We are unemployed. When we are not doing private job, we are unemployed. We are not contributing in India.
And in private sector, we have many jobs.
Yes, we are many job, and when we are
It's not like that. In government job, there is also vacancies, and you will have
where
to
is
qualify.
vacancy? Where is
Are you
vacancy?
right? Yes, of course.
Yes.
I'm preparing. Yeah, I'm waiting
You
for
are
the
preparing
vacancy.
and
If
you are
vacancy will
waiting.
arrive, then
You are
definitely I will
waiting.
do.
You are waiting since
Yes.
I think
Until your last day, you will keep on struggling.
struggling and waiting.
Okay, yes. Pass it to Sangeeta. Yes.
So I want to answer of these questions. So how we are serving nation. So my simple questions, Miss Akanksha as well as Mr. Shivam. So first of all, this is me, Karan Misra. I am from Banaras. Thank you, sir, for having me this fantastic opportunity to speak here. My question is, how we are serving to our nations in government job. We know that about epidemic moment like flood and some of very epidemic moment in India happening in India. That times we are provide some of important things for poor person as well as for our society. So that times the role of NDA as well as police as well as very
Means the government sectors people
yes,
provided a lot of things.
we save our country under the government job.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Means they contributed, you want to say.
This is me, Sangeeta Maurya, and thanks to CAP sir for giving me this golden opportunity to speak here. So, as Karan is saying that only private government sector is providing these opportunities But I want to say in private sector also providing so many opportunities, so many jobs they are creating nowadays, and I think it's topic.
Ma'am, give me one examples. Which types of sir are under the care of government, a private job?
Private job actually, if we are like anyone is teaching. So it's also a kind of contribution for country. People are giving, people are educating here.
So the same in
people
government
are,
job.
people are, ration, yeah, just educating here and
Sir, same here.
if
Government
anyone,
teacher also teach.
not
Yes.
government teacher is not teach properly their students. So many examples we can watch. They become very lazy.
You are talking about. Let me complete my.
Government.
Okay.
Listen.
Okay, you can speak.
Government employee also want to send their students in private schools. They don't send their students in government schools.
Now my turn
Yes,
to speak.
yes.
So your point is undeniable, but you are talking about teaching in private job. We are also teaching in government job, as well as you are talking about earlier times. In this time, so the teaching style and teaching method is in under. I am talking about government job. Everything is fantastic in government job, teaching style as well as teaching quality. We are talking about Kerala, we are talking about Delhi, as well as UP. There is good school and the student become successful under the care of good teacher in government
If
job.
you go in village areas, you can go and you can see the situation of government schools.
Ma'am, ma'am.
There is teacher is also
Ma'am,
not, teacher
try,
is not well educated.
ma'am,
They
try to
don't know that
understand
how
what I want to
teach.
say.
They are not
I am
there.
talking.
I want to say something.
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, you are saying teacher is not well educated. You know, after passing a higher exams, then we become a government employee. Then we become a government teacher. How can you say like this? Teacher is not eligible and they are not teaching in the class area.
I know teachers are eligible, but they are not doing work properly.
It was all about the past time. It's not happening in the present time,
Because
ma'am.
no one is looking after the teachers in private sector. In private sector teachers, if you go in private schools, principal look after their teachers that they are teaching or not well.
It's not like that,
but
ma'am.
in,
Now the
government
things are
sector, no
changing.
one
Our
watch.
BDO officer makes some appointment and they appoint the teacher to go and check out whatever is happening in the class. You know, in the primary school, now if any student is unable to speak, then the teacher is responsible for that. Now the things are changing. Our government is working hard for that thing.
Yes.
But
To my all panelists, thank you Mr. Kaif sir for giving me this golden opportunity to share my point of view on government job versus private job. I say I prefer the private job because we see the reservation policy in the government exam. Government so many skilled people, many knowledgeable people are not qualified the exam because 0.1% marks.
Very nice.
And it is a very long lasting process in an exam for preparation. So if you are economically weak, so you can't prepare the government exam preparation because you are not economically very rich and very well economic family.
Very nice, very nice.
And
As per your concern, ma'am, you can talking about economic. In government examination, we have a quota for economic who are not stable economy. The government provide money as well, and if you're talking about that, and also they provide a scholarship.
private education also provide the scholarship.
But you have to pay a lot of fees about this.
No, many opportunities for in many private school in low fees.
Could you please give an example of that?
Yes, very nice.
And 2019 there is
You please. Yes. Yes, an example for that?
So I also teaching, also studying Cadet Convent Girls College. very fees is very
Actually,
less.
we are ignoring her point. She wanted to say the reservation. Mean this is kind of discrimination.
Discrimination.
Someone who is getting reservation, even if he's not knowledgeable, but he's getting selected. But in private sector, there is no like that. There is nothing like that.
Private job.
Yeah, of course.
As per your concern, you can talking about reservation. So for the minority section, we have provided equal opportunity for that. And if you're talking about that for the biasness that we create, in the private sector, I see that most of the people are doing biasness with the people of their looks and their speak languages.
Yeah, that's correct. It's also happening.
No, private job also see the skills and our qualities, our education.
No, like she wants to say that there's kind of discrimination in private sector too. They see that how does he look like, and how does he look like. If he's very smart, she's very beautiful. Then
Even if she doesn't have any
There's a
knowledge,
discrimination in private sector too.
It is in some industries only, not all.
Come on, it's an interview that you have go for private sector. They look at
Yes,
you.
of course. Grooming methods too.
When someone is good in looks, they will not check the skills. They will not check the skills. They will provide you job by without skills. You take the guarantee of that.
Of course, if you're going for an interview, if you're not
When you are
speak in
beautiful,
English.
listen to me. When you are beautiful, they will give the job. They will not check your skill and your knowledge. They will not check. You take the guarantee of that.
No, I'm
Like they will not take skills. They will check the skills also. Then they will hire.
What
Skills
kind of
is
skills?
required,
Tell
not
me now.
beauty. Not all type, not beauty is required. It is in private sector
Government
also. It is
government
in
sector does not
government
bias.
sector also.
They provide.
The point that she was saying that there is a discrimination going on the body shaming, on the body.
Yes,
But they will check skills also. So
What
they will
type
check
of
the
skill?
knowledge
Tell me
also. They will not hire by the beauty and all. They will check the skills also.
Okay, Akanksha, have a seat, please. What is your opinion? Why are you so supportive for the government job? And you are UPSC aspirant. as
Yes,
well.
sir.
So can you please tell something?
So I am favor of the government job because of they provide equal opportunity for everyone.
Okay.
Like even a person who only speak in Hindi or English, they also provide an equal opportunity. Even we can see that in private sector, they also promote a English and international quality life, like living standard as well.
Very nice.
So in the government sector, there are no biasness there.
Okay, fine. Yes. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Please.
Sir, biasness to sir in government job is also because when you preparing for government job, you not get the same reputation in society because when society treat them like when they get job, then I give reputation. When we don't get government job, we have no reputation, and society treat them like a failed person.
Wow, yeah. Fantastic. People respect when you get selected.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
There is no respect.
This is also something.
Yeah.
Of course. Yes.
Who you are in the private sector?
No, so private job.
Private section?
Sir, I have a point about. I have a few point about that. Like in the private sector, who earn a lot of money, that gain a kind of respect now. What about the mediocre life? They do work.
Answer of these questions.
Okay, are you complete?
Yes, sir. I have completed.
Okay, please you have a seat. I would like Nida to say her opinion, then I say please. Come on.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is me, Nida Khan. First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. For me, government job is better than private job because you can easily get the leave from government job. For example, maternity leave for girls. They show the women empowerment. If you have any natural issues like girls problems, any type of like pregnancy and all, they give you maternity leave, and as well as they give you salary also. But in private job there is no salary. If you are get 1 day leave, they cut your salary. But in government job they do not cut your salary, and as well as you give you salary plus bonus because you are from government job.
Very nice. Wow, fantastic.
and government job is everlasting, long lasting, but the private job they easily fire you. No, because of if a girl there is any harassment and any type of molestation, and you are not agree with that private job HR and boss, so they get easily fire you. But in government job there is a reputation of girls, and there is a no harassment in government job. So for me government job is better than private. Sir, he was saying he get the private job other country, so he increasing the GDP of other country, not our country. Private.
If he is earning other countries, increasing the GDP of other countries.
Yes, sir.
He is earning, bringing money here. He has support.
another country, then he will leave there.
What?
Please, why should I talk?
You have a knowledge. You have knowledge. You can go other side country. I am doing job private sector. Private sector available. I am doing job, or my salary package and 35,000 per month. Or but I can speak English properly. So I can do job US based project. I have knowledge जैसे coding, private sector, other types of many facility, many job, private sector.
Very nice.
What about salary?
I can say
If you get leave, so what about your salary?
easily. जैसे suppose I can mail. I have leave, so I can send mail.
If you are sick, they give you work from home, but they do not get you easily leave. But if we are sick, they easily get us leave. They said that you can go and rest in your home. But in private sector, they give you work from home in sickness.
But how many days you can take leave?
Yes, of course.
But work from home, if you do work from home, then so you are whole time you can do
15
Yes.
to 18 days.
yes.
And somewhere they are also accepting that the government job is not good because we are living. We are not working, we are not honest. Somewhere they are accepting it. What is this? Please pass it to somebody else.
I want to ask, total populations only 3 to 4% government job are available. So is available. So what they do, what rest of the people what will do if they don't get job?
Yes, very nice.
Actually, this is not exact data. Government.
Yeah, it's data. 3 to 4% total population job in India available, government job. Yes.
Already do not have that much vacancy because of this.
Actually, according to Google data, in India, 50% people have a government job. How you can say that only 3%?
Jobs every
15, 15.
15.
Yes.
Okay. If you take 15%,
Yes.
then rest of the population what will do?
Yes.
Okay, I want to answer up this question.
Yes.
But you are trying to say that a private job we can easily get. But you know that for big achievement we have to do hard work. You know that about in my answer, we can easily get a private job and survive our life. But after hard work we become IAS or PCS. We are very reputed in our society.
Right.
So in private job, people judge you according to your money, according to your background. But in government job, people consider to you about your profession.
Exactly, you are saying correct that everyone know according to your position, but you invest approx 5 to 6 years to get a job IAS officer. Only 100 jobs are come in one state.
Yes.
So you 100 will establish in that job, and rest of the people gaye bhad mein.
Yes. No.
Listen, and after that, and you are saying that they get higher salary.
You know that. You want to test.
Please complete my point, and after that you can do.
I cannot read.
So mean till 30 to 35, you get a IAS officer. You will be a IAS officer,
Yes.
and rest you are investing your 5 to 6 years in that.
Yes.
And if you go in private sector, you start early age, like 21. From 21 you can start your private job. So till 35 you will earn so much money. So what is the comparison? First comparison, money is there is no comparison, and you get a higher position in private sector also. You get a higher position. You become a boss. Yeah, exactly. You can start your startup during this time.
Now it's my time for speech.
Yes.
Your answer is very good, and I am so excited to answer of this question. Sir, I have actually. Sir, if talent is mine, if knowledge is mine, if time is mine, why we are working for other person? We know that we become boss of ourselves in government job. We become servant of our nation, but we become servant of other person in private job.
Yes.
So, yes, sir. So other person, we work under the other person. Like we have to go for.
You are working for the nation, and we are working for the
my debate for opposite, not for you.
I said 60% invest. Yes, 60 already she told.
You are working in a company, not
You have to counter on this.
So what?
Akansha.
Tell me what is something. Oh, yes.
You said like you are serving the nation and we are not serving. You are working for the you are not working under some higher authorities. You are also working some higher or under the some higher authorities. Like when you become IS, the CM is your higher your leader. You are working on under, like you are said that we are working under the some other authorities, but government employees are not working under some other authorities. It is not true. You are also working for the under the other authorities, and we are also working for other authorities. But the CEO of Google, they are earning lots of money, and they also have the lots of very high profile. You are said that government officer have the good profile, and private office private job doer of private job don't have the great profile or good profile. The CEO of Google and the Mukesh Ambani are contributing the nation, and they are doing the private job also. This is the private job, and we are contributing.
Sir, I just want to say in the favor of private job, government job. You know that about importance of government job and private job. I simply ask one questions. In government job, we are honor of ourselves or not?
In government job? In government job?
Yes.
You are not working under someone? You are not working under someone?
My question,
you are also working
try to understand, ma'am. My question is, in government job, we are honor of ourselves or not? Not. How? We have to leave. We can easily get leave, but in private job we have.
You are not in.
Let me complete my point.
Okay.
Let me complete my point.
Yes,
so in private job, suppose there is some emergency, we have to take permission of someone. We have to take permission of boss. After that, we can go.
In government, it is applied in government job also. You have to tell someone.
We have.
You have to tell someone. You have.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Mirada Sikh. Today's topic, private job. I am talking about private job. So according to me, private job is good because the benefit of employment, good salaries, high good salaries. I am also preparing cabin crew. This is part of private job. So I would like to say private jobs. In government job, all people sit idle, and after that we people's wait long time vacancy, but in government job you can get job easily in private job, according to me.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for having me golden opportunity to convey my thought. My name is Priyanka. Today topic is private job and government job. I am favor of the government job because government job is a too much good comparison to private job. Everyone wants to a private job because government job because of there is a lots of money, and in comparison to in private job, because in private job there is a lots of pressure, but in government job nothing. And I saw lots of office in private workers is do not doing anything. If do work, so if whole day busy in own work, but in government job there is a no pressure. But you are talking about care about your beauty because they charge to provide in 45 years. After that he sit idle. But in government job there is no.
My brother also doing police officer. They do not come at house because they are very busy. Governments they do not holiday.
Yes.
So what government job? What government job? Yes.
Yes. Say again, topic. I can't understand your voice.
See, your brother is working in the government job.
Yes.
So what they do not come at home timing and also Raksha Bandhan.
Yes.
So
Oh my God.
why good this government job?
And he's saying you can leave it. He's
How is good? How is
See,
good government job?
listen.
How is good government job?
Raksha Bandhan is unable to come.
No, it will never come.
Let talk
Who
from-
said that?
Yes.
No, because in government job is there is every occasion festival holidays also provide.
I told you my brother don't come at home in Raksha Bandhan. Because in government policy they do not come because there is lots of work.
Yes.
That's why.
No, in half time is also available. You can go easily
I told you.
in festival.
No.
Yes.
In festival lots of work.
Because in private job is nowadays most of the rules. If your first salary to your half salary is get, but in government job there is no any rules.
Sometime in government job they do not get holiday.
I want to ask.
I am supporting to private job. Private job better than government job because government job get a job any employee to very easily. In government job 4 to 5 year preparing or more than year preparing, but in not sure he getting job or not getting. But in private sector he only 1 year diploma complete then he get a job.
Yes. Without diploma he can get some job.
Without diploma and in government job a limited salary, but in private job not limited salary because you improve ourselves and as well as you get a high salary package. And this time is many sector is privatization like a rail, like a
Government also does it. Government believes that
privatization and hospital and air also is privatization. So I would like to private sector is better than government sector.
Very nice. Please.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you. I am Anushika Singh. Thank you, sir, having me this opportunity. So, in government job, we have better daily life routine. We have limited time for job, and in private job we have no time limit. There is no limit of time. We work all the time in private job, but government job there is limited of time to work. That's all.
Private sector in also limited time. Otherwise you work a long time, you get a more than salary. But in government limit time and you get a limit salary.
It's salary too much according comparison to private salary. It's okay.
Part-time job? The part-time.
What about
In private job, if in private job in doing in extra work, extra give time, but in government job there's money according to fixed time.
so private job you doing extra time, so he
So after that you doing extra job, extra work. After that you get extra money. But in government job there is a limit.
money.
So this is
If you do extra work, there is no extra money.
so this is a benefit of the.
Sir, in government job, if you do it fixed time, there's a salary.
But it's not time.
So in government job we had no time limit, but in private job we had time limit and lots of pressure. But in government job we had very less pressure to work.
You suppose
Sir, now we are talking about the just pressure. That you know the demonetization. Workers are how doing their something job like extra work and they got so much pressure on that time. So how would you like to talk about same?
There is no limit of time. By the way, in government job the time limit is more than private job. It give you less time, or in government job they give you more time.
Okay.
To work.
As we know, government jobs organization like police and army officer, they are go for away from the house and for living out 2 to 3 hours, 2 to 3 years for the for the job. And you can private sector, you can do job and near your house. That's the thing that you can do with it.
Okay, please, you both. Yes, you tell people.
guys, each and everything has their pros and cons. So private job versus government, there is also some advantage and disadvantage. So according to me, if you want to be money minded, if you want to earn lots of money, if you want to grow early, then yeah, you can do private job. But if you talk about security, if you talk about the security, reliability and safety, then the government job is more good as compared to private job. For a girl, it's also good, and there is a mentality about the society. If you get a government job, then definitely you will be respected by the people. So we should do like this. Why we are going for the private job? We should work.
Get married as well.
Get a good handsome husband and wife too. And my friend was saying, in the government job you will have to work hard and then you can get selected and you will work there. But we do this in the beginning and after that we live a precious quality life. But in the private job you will have to just struggle all the time. You can't spend a precious time with your family member. Like you are working in the...
This was conclusive, man. You have to conclude.
Okay, so it's all about you. If you want a secure job, then you should go with the government, and if you want to earn money, then you should go with the private job.
Both the sector are good. When you have the patient, you have patience to do preparation for the government job. So you can do you can prefer the government job. When you are think that you have to work in a private job and you will work hard and you are skilled and you have confidence in yourself, you will do good in a private job. So you can choose the private sector when you are interested. So choose the job and the sector by your interest and the patience you have. So thank you so much.
All right, very nice. Well, I would like to say the same thing. The job is good. The thing which matters a lot is the passion, right? Money does not matter. The salary does not matter, but the passion. Some of the people have told me, dear Cap sir,
success is happiness.
Yes, success, and we should not have greed of success as well. Like as I was telling the same thing, some of the people told me, dear Cap, at this age you should not teach, you should study. But they don't know that this is my passion to train people. I'm also studying, I'm gaining knowledge from various places. But the thing which matters is that is passion, enthusiasms. So you are doing a Lekpal job or you are a doctor, everything matters, that is your passion. If you have a dream to do, then nothing matters whatever the job is. But yes, somewhere they were right, somewhere you were right. But the motto of discussion was only to communicate and develop the fluency. And today I could see that everybody spoke. The way she was speaking today was very nice, and the way Akshay Kumar was speaking, the way she spoke today. यहाँ पे कुछ लोग देखिए, बच्चे हैं, लड़के हैं, लड़कियां हैं, गांव से या फिर पहली बार इतने लोग बीच बोल रहे हैं. अगर आप 5 सेंटेंस में बोले, बहुत बड़ी बात है, बहुत बड़ी बात है. तो आज 5 बोले, कल 10 बोलिए, 15 बोलिए, 20 बोलिए. ऐसे ही आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा. समझ बात को. अंग्रेजी ट्रांसलेशन सीख के राम जाता है, राम खाता है, कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. आपको YouTube से भी जो है मिल जाएगा ट्रांसलेशन। आके भड़ास निकालिए सबके सामने, आके सबके सामने फ्रैंक होने की कोशिश करिए, तभी आप एक यूनिक पर्सनालिटी बनाएंगे। अंडरस्टूड? यस। कल की हमारे